हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। आज का वीडियो काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाला है जो जर्मन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में पढ़ना चाहते हैं। तो चलिए आज मैं बताने वाला हूँ कंपैरिजन ऑफ जर्मनी एंड ऑस्ट्रिया। ये दोनों ही कंट्री आपके लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हो सकती है। चलिए उसका रीज़न बताता हूँ। तो एज एन फर्स्ट स्टेप ओवरसीज हम लोग काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस बनाते हैं और आपको आपकी लाइफ के डिसीजन लेने में, सिलेक्ट करने में, कोर्स, यूनिवर्सिटी या फिर कंट्री को सिलेक्ट करने में हेल्प करते हैं। तो यस, आई एम योर फ्रेंड एंड मेंटर भाविक, एक्सप्लोरिंग वर्ल्ड एंड डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर यू ऑल. So, and you can take online and offline both services when it comes to first step overseas, whether you are from India or not. तो चलिए जानते हैं जर्मनी अच्छा है या फिर ऑस्ट्रिया। तो जब जर्मनी और ऑस्ट्रिया में फ़र्क क्या है और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हम लोग कंपैरिजन करेंगे। तो वो पहले हम स्टार्ट करते हैं जर्मनी और ऑस्ट्रिया की पॉपुलेशन के बारे में। जब जर्मनी की बात आती है तो जर्मनी में पॉपुलेशन है करीबन 8.5 मीन्स वो होता है 85 लाख पॉपुलेशन है पूरे जर्मनी के। उसका कंपैरिजन अगर हम लोग ऑस्ट्रिया के साथ करते हैं तो यहाँ पर है अबाउट 90 लाख, या तो करीबन 9 मिलियन समथिंग यहाँ की पॉपुलेशन ऑस्ट्रिया की है अभी। काफ़ी, और जब हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स की बात करते हैं, ये मुझे पहले इसलिए बोलना है क्योंकि ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तो लोग ज़्यादातर अट्रैक्टेड होते हैं जर्मनी में क्योंकि वहाँ पर फ्री एजुकेशन है। तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट जाते हैं और बहुत सारी एप्लीकेशन होती है। पर जब इसकी बात आती है तो सबको एडमिशन नहीं मिलता बिकॉज देयर इज़ एन फ्री एजुकेशन। तो यस, जर्मनी में फ्री एजुकेशन है। और ऑस्ट्रियन यूनिवर्सिटी में जब पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी आती है तो यहाँ पर फ्री नहीं है बट वेरी नॉमिनल ट्यूशन फीस रहती है। ट्यूशन फीस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 600 यूरोज per semester. Yes, so that is also very nominal. Now what is common in both the thing is that whether it is a public university from Germany or whether it is a public university from Austria, this both country are been influenced by German. So Germany speak German language and Austria people also speak German language. They have adapted जर्मन एज एन ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज एज वेल। सो अगर आपको ऑस्ट्रिया जाना है और आपको जर्मनी में एडमिशन मिलता है तो भी आप जा सकते हो। और जर्मनी वाले स्टूडेंट्स को मैं बोलता हूँ यू ऑल्सो टेक अ बैकअप ऑफ ऑस्ट्रिया बिकॉज ऑस्ट्रिया इज़ अमेजिंग कंट्री। तो आप अगर उसका बैकअप लेते हो, यहाँ एडमिशन ईजी मिल सकता है, नॉमिनल फीस में होता है, तो आप, और यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ अमेजिंग। चलिए जानते हैं अभी कि कौन सी करेंसी चलती है दोनों कंट्रीज़ में। तो दोनों कंट्रीज़ में चलती है यूरोस। यूनिवर्सिटीज़ कितनी है? तो जब जर्मनी की बात आती है, इन जर्मनी देर आर मोर दैन 200 पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी and when it comes to Austria there are more than 80 public university in Austria. But Austria is also amazing country you are going to love if you are going there. And Germany is also, it is well known for its education, public university. Which are the main city where you should study or live? So when it comes to Germany, Berlin, Hamburg, Frankfurt, Munich, these are some of the good cities, populated cities where you will be not having part-time problem of job. And when it comes to Austria, Vienna, Graz, Salzburg, these are some of the good cities and good universities are there. So yes, in Austria, I would also like to highlight that do students get admission without IELTS? So when it comes to Austria, yes, in some of the universities you can get admission without IELTS. When it comes to Germany, no, now there is a requirement of IELTS, and there is one more requirement in Austrian university. In some of the particular universities that they do require GRE and GMAT. And in Germany it is not required. Uh, in both the countries, bachelor's, master's, and PhD courses are available, and English taught programs are available. Work permit. So in both the countries, work permit is provided. It is approx 12 months in both the countries. Do they invite international students? Yes, both of the countries do invite international students, and Germany is very, very famous when it comes to international students, and students from more than 180 countries come to Germany. And yes, Austria is also very, very good country, but the thing is, lot of people don't know about Austria. And yes, you can call First Step Overseas because we provide all the services online and offline both, so you can have lot of ideas about information about public universities in Austria, and the visa process will be very smooth if you hire a right consultant who is experienced, तो आपके लिए वो काफ़ी अच्छा रहता है. Now, apart from that, what is the visa processing time? So, once you apply for your visa, in Austria it is taking from 15 to 30 days. When it comes to Germany, it can take from 15 to 60 days as well because there is a lot of rush. Now, what is the visa fees when you apply in Germany or in Austria? So, Germany or Austria, when you apply, it is approx 80 euros. It is fluctuating, so I am giving in general fee structure so that it can be 5 euros more or 5 euros less. But in both the countries, it is almost similar. So, yes, what is the part time working hours? In both the countries, officially you can work 20 hours per week, but most of the students are getting job in both the countries and they are working amazingly. So, I would strongly recommend that if you are not getting admission in German universities, if you are applying in German universities, please also make a second country option, that is Austria, which is German influence country. First language is German in Austria, so you can apply there also. There are many famous companies in both the country. When it comes to Germany, BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen, and lot of more. Bosch is from Germany. When it comes to Austria is well known for Red Bull. Red Bull is from Austria. So yes, it is a world famous company. A lot of people don't know that Red Bull, it is world famous. Everywhere we see Red Bull, but yes, it is from Austria. So Austria is also famous for snow, tourist, and a lot of sports activity are there. But when it comes to weather, it is much colder than Germany, so that you should be aware about. So yes, based on this information, I hope that will be helping you to make a decision of your life. But yes, both of the countries I have been there, and I'm happy that whether you will going to Germany or Austria, you will be happy. One more thing which is very important is what can be the living expense if you are living in these two countries. So the first country is Germany, where the living expense can be from 700 to 800, and in Austria it can go from 600 to 1000 euros as well, because it is an expensive country, transportation wise, living wise, food wise. So I will be making a separate video on the living expense of Austria as well. So for this kind of information, do follow me, subscribe my channel. I'm your friend and mentor Bhavik, exploring world and different university for you all.